So I totally just got this package from Pop-Tarts times Tajín. No, actually I just made it. And my computer printer stopped printing, so that's why it's kind of different colors. So Pop-Tarts and Tajín are having a collaboration, and it's only for a few days, so you got to go in the Pop-Tarts USA website or the kelloggstore.com/Pop-Tarts Tajín. And you can get this for $10. So it's you're getting let me just read it. Pop-Tart invites fans to take their Pop-Tarts game to the next level with their introduction of the new limited edition Pop-Tarts times Tajín kit. Like this. New Pop-Tarts times Tajín is a crazy bueno limited edition flavor intensifying mashup kit that features Tajín, classical seasoning, and new fruity chamoy hot sauce, coupled with a variety of fan favorite fruity Pop-Tart flavors, including frosted strawberry, frosted wildberry, and peach cobbler. I guess you get 8 packs of those 3. Tajín is the leading fruit seasoning in the U.S. and Mexico that fans sprinkle on their favorite fruits, vegetables, snacks, and sweet treats. So you're supposed to put the Tajín on the different Pop-Tarts. So let me put the box to the side. Okay, so here's my strawberry. Oh, here we go. Yeah, no. Okay, let me just try it with the chamoy. This is Tajín chamoy hot sauce. It smells kind of fruity. So far, it's only a little bit hot. Oh, I forgot to open this one too. So this one is a sprinkle. So. Okay, that does bring a different flavor to the Pop-Tart. I don't know if I do this all the time, but no, chamoy and Tajín go well with fruit flavors, so you'll see it a lot of times on fruit, or I just did one with the pineapple Dole Whip with Tajín and chamoy on it. So it works well with fruit flavors. So if you want, you could try it. You know, if you didn't get the official Pop-Tarts times Tajín pack, because it's only going to be online for, let's see, Tuesday, October 25th through Thursday, October 27th. So if you don't get it, if you don't get the kit, then make your own. You can even get little packets of Tajín sometimes at Mexican restaurants if you don't want to buy a whole, and they have smaller bottles too. You don't have to buy a big one. You might have to buy one of these though, because they don't have little Tajín chamoy packets. So if you don't get this Tajín times chamoy packet from the actual Pop-Tarts Tajín website, whichever one, then you can make your own. Just get your favorite fruit flavored Pop-Tarts. Get some Tajín Classico. You can get smaller bottle. This is a large bottle actually. Oops. And get a bottle of the Tajín chamoy hot sauce. And then just pour it on your, you can drizzle it on and then sprinkle some Tajín on there. Or you could just use Tajín and just, you know, dip it in. Or just the chamoy. So yeah, try it out. You could just get these on your own and then have it all the time. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm going to take another bite and I'll see you in the next one.